Good day guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one, we're talking about how to use Gemini AI animation. Alright, so in order to start, you need to use specific models, for example, Veo 3.1. Okay, so just type in this, 3.1, there you go. This can be used for, and in Studio, AI Studio by Google, and also Vids, and yeah, just if you're there, choose your model, the service that you're going to use, because many other services also use this model as well. For example, as you can see this one, and then you can start generating your stuff. In order to start, once again, use the image to video feature. So in order to do that, you go to image to video, for example, upload your image here, and you can just tell the Gemini or any other model animate this character walking through a neon lit city, etc. So just choose your prompt. And because Veo 3.1 now supports temporal consistency, your characters won't morph or glitch between frames. And when you're ready, just hit generate. Alright, and also after that, if you need something for a website or app, you can use the Gemini canvas. And for example, you go try canvas, right? And then you, as you can see, can use it right here. You don't necessarily have to go to that page. You choose the canvas, and now let me give you a prompt. So for example, something like this, use Pro, and submit. And then you can just wait for the generation to complete, and Gemini will open the canvas sidebar, write the code, and render the animation live. It's going to take a few minutes, so just be patient. And also you can ask for the real-time physics, for example, add gravity to these elements, and Gemini will update the code instantly. Copy the HTML, and your interactive animation is ready to deploy. That's pretty much the mechanic behind creating this. Hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We appreciate it, and thank you for watching.